I am Dr. Rami Al-Jamal from Palestinian. I am an orthopedic surgeon. I have started fellowship with Dr. Manu Bora. Really, I want to tell and ask about Dr. Manu Bora. I have told 2 points. The first point, Dr. Manu Bora is gentle and good man. The second point, Dr. Manu Bora is very professional, skilled doctor in the ortho sport. Really, I joined Dr. Manu Bora with training fellowship. I am very happy to join with Dr. Manu Bora fellowship. Really, I am benefit very much information and skilled orthopedic skills in the sport. I joined Dr. Manu Bora training fellowship in the knee and shoulder arthroscope. Really, I am very happy and bored to join this program because I am learn a lot of tips and tricks in this part. Dr. Manu Bora teach me very nice, and I have a lot of information, a lot of tips and tricks, a lot of hand-on skills. Really, I am satisfied. I joined Dr. Manu Bora program in different part, hospital part, in the OT, and they teach me tips and tricks and a lot of information in this part. And the second part in the clinic. We have training in the examine patient and how to follow up patient, management, physiotherapy. It's important point this my fellowship. I want to thank Dr. Manu Bora and medical team at first, and thank you all team.